What's going on, guys? Zane here, back with another video. For this one, we're going to go over number 283 on Leet code, move zeros. So we're given an array, and we're asked to move all of the non-zero values to the left, and the rest of the values can be zeros. So all non-zeros to the left, and the rest to the right. So we're going to be doing this in place rather than returning a value. So what we'll do is we'll first loop through our array. So we're going to say for int I equals 0, I is listed nums.length, I plus plus. We have to loop through anyway because we need to figure out what value is or is not a 0. So we'll first say, I'm just going to say num is nums at I. So if the number that we're at is not a 0, then what we could do is we can place that number into some placeholder value. So what we'll say is we'll declare some placeholder value as 0. And now we'll say that the nums array at the placeholder value now becomes that number. And we can increase the placeholder from here because we're going to want to continue on until we get a certain count. So this is storing that value at this index with the number that is not 0. Now that that's been accounted for, we'll loop through once more, but this time we'll start off where the placeholder is and then do the regular loop till the end. And the reason we're doing this is because when we do a check to see if it's not 0, then it's basically counting how much it is, and then we can use this placeholder as our reference for when we go through the loop again, so that now that we're going through the loop and we're starting at the placeholder's index, we know we've already accounted for the non-zeros, so now we could just say that the nums at this index is just 0. So let's run this, and that should do it. So placeholders, I think, are a big concept that that I personally was able to get a handle of, and it's really helped me out. Now, this might not be the most optimal solution, especially when you see multiple for loops, but just being able to account for a placeholder and then using that to your advantage, I think that's a very important concept from this one. Anyways, guys, that's it for this one. If you guys have any questions, comments, feedback, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, hit that like and subscribe button, show me some love, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.